Stuffy nose, low mood, difficulty sleeping, tense muscles or head tension. These are all things that can ruin a vacation or even make your week seem extra long and difficult. In this video, I'm going to share with you a trio of essential oils that are in the best first aid kit doTERRA has put together, the Family Essentials Kit. I've shared about these oils before, but in light of a first aid kit or oils on the go, I just want to chat a bit with you about lemon, lavender, and peppermint essential oils. I'm Lane Adams, and I've been using doTERRA essential oils and natural products for 10 years. I love to learn about simple ways to support my health, and I really enjoy sharing what I'm learning with others. Oftentimes, many people are overwhelmed when it comes to maintaining healthy habits. We just need to break it down and make it simple. Be sure and download my tips for overcoming overwhelm. You'll find that link in the description box. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to continue hearing some simple ways to live well. This trio of essential oils is really great for anyone to start when it comes to using essential oils. And if you're traveling and want to have some quick, simple ways to take care of things that can put a damper on your trip, these are just what you need. If you want to know how to get rid of a stuffy nose in minutes, take some lemon essential oil. You're going to take it, just take a little on the finger and rub it on the sides of the nose. That's going to help open up the airways. You're also going to take a drop of peppermint and put it on the tongue and then raise the tongue up to the roof of the mouth. Not only will this give you fresh breath, you'll also find you have more open airways. If you have itchy eyes and nose, take some lavender essential oil on your finger, rub it on the bridge of the nose and under the eyes. This will help calm down the itch. Speaking of itch, itchy bug bites can be soothed by just putting a bit of lavender on the bite, and even a tiny bit of peppermint will help as well. Peppermint is cooling, so that helps with itch. If you want to know how to reduce body temperature immediately, applying peppermint essential oil to the bottom of the feet, on the spine, and across the forehead will help bring down body temperature. You can also put a drop of doTERRA peppermint in your water. Take a drop of peppermint in your hands, rub your hands together, rub on the back of the neck, and you will start to feel a cooling as well. Head tension and muscle tension can definitely ruin a vacation. You're going to open that same bottle of peppermint and apply a drop on the temples and other areas where you feel tension. Then hold the bottle just near your nose and breathe in deeply and slowly for about 40 seconds. Making sure you drink enough water is going to be helpful for this as well. And like I said before, you're going to put peppermint, you can do that in your water, or you can put a drop or two of lemon or both in your glass or stainless steel water bottle. Not only does it taste good, the lemon aroma is uplifting and supportive, and it's going to keep things moving in your body. And the peppermint is going to support digestion and just calm the stomach. And it's also very cooling and refreshing. Also, let's not forget sleep. If you want to know how to sleep better at night when sleeping in hotels or just in general, you could make a cup of chamomile tea and put a drop of lavender essential oil in it with some honey and sip on that about an hour before bed. You could put a drop of lavender in your hands, breathe it in deeply as you rub them together and rub on the bottoms of the feet, brush your hands across the pillow, and then rub on your shirt or in your hair. Calming a child down at bedtime, or if your child throws a tantrum, here's something you can easily incorporate into your routine. Put a drop of lavender in your hands, rub together, and say, light the candle, and have your child do this as well. Smell the flower, and then blow out the candle. I know it doesn't make any sense, but with a toddler, just doing activities like this, paired with a calming essential oil like lavender, it works. Oh, and if you happen to get too much sun on your trip or just during your week, a drop of lavender in your lotion or in a carrier oil or even in a soothing Epsom salt bath will be helpful for your skin. Lavender helps with bee stings, burns, and blisters as well. No wonder they call it the Swiss Army knife of oils. You can get this amazing trio of lemon, lavender, and peppermint in the Family Essentials kit. Or you can purchase the trio or even just purchase each oil singly. Either way, you're going to see that these oils are great to have on hand on a trip or a vacation or just throughout your active days. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and like and subscribe to my channel and click on the link in the description box for my free tips on overcoming overwhelm. Tell me which oil you think you like best, lemon, lavender, or peppermint. Which one will be most useful for you? Just remember that you can choose to live well.